So I'm just going to show you where else we use reclaimed wood and old salvaged wood. So these are tables, and we specialize in metal folding tables, and we supply a lot to bars and restaurants around the world. So here we have the frame is the original frame, and most of this wood is the original wood. But what we've done, where we find a piece of wood that may have rotten, we'll insert a different piece of wood that's been reclaimed. It's still old, but it's not the original wood to the table here. So this section here, you can see there's a distinctive color here between the two. We've inserted that because there would have been a rotten piece or a crumbly piece that would have been in the middle. And you can also see right down in the bottom down here, we've done exactly the same thing again. We've got an old piece of wood and we've cut it to shape, and we've then attached it right to that corner and put a bolt in there. So you can see that's what we've done. We've still retained the character of the table. It's still got old wood, but it's just got some slightly different pieces that have been reclaimed. And this is what would have happened with an old table in India anyway. As the table carries on with its life, as it gets older and older, newer pieces are swapped in and out to make sure that we can continue, or the people that would have owned the table would have continued to have used the tables. So that's exactly what we've done here. And this table will last another 20, 30 years as it is here. Maybe in a handful of years, some other repairs will need to be done, but not right now.